guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a really long time since I sat and spoke with you guys like this. So I'm super happy to be back. And today's video, I'm going to be sharing some FAQs that you guys have asked me. So a lot of you have a lot of questions and I've been reading all that, and I thought I should definitely share you guys whatever you frequently ask in all the videos. I mean, mostly in my hairstyle videos. So if you are new here, then my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be answering a few personal as well as some frequently asked hair questions, hair and as well as a few skincare questions. So I have 20 questions that you have frequently asked with me right now. I've noted down all of them and I'm going to be answering it one by one. So the first most common question I get asked is, what is my profession? So I am a bridal makeup artist. So if you're following me on Instagram, then you will definitely know I have shared a lot of pictures of me and my brides mostly in my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, then please do follow. I will leave my ID and my Instagram URL in the description below. Please go check it out and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And number two, most of you guys wanted to know what my mother tongue is. So I am a Tamilian and my hometown is Kanyakumari. So I live in Nagarkoil in Kanyakumari and my mother tongue is Tamil. The next most asked question is, what is my age? So I am 28 years old. So the most frequently asked question ever in my channel is, what is my haircut? And I've done feathered layered cut and I got it from Green Trends Nagarkoil here. So let me finish these skincare questions quickly and then jump into all the hair frequently asked questions. So the first question I get asked mostly is how to have like very clear skin. So guys, I don't really had like, super clear skin in my teenage. I used to break out really bad and my face always used to be like red, and I had like really bad cystic acne here. So like later when I started like growing and aging, I think after 25 I hardly got any pimple like how it used to be before. I still get pimples, but that's usually during the time of my menstruation cycle or somewhere around it. I don't usually break out that much as how I used to get it before. I still follow a very good skincare routine, like I cleanse my face, tone my face, and also moisturize properly. So I think that's how I maintain my skin. And the next question is, do you get acne? Yes, of course I get acne every month. And also if I don't remove my makeup properly before going to bed, like I double cleanse. If I don't double cleanse and just cleanse it once, then I definitely get breakouts once in a while. Okay, now let's move on to all the hair questions. So the first question is, what do you do to make your hair thicker? So I am blessed with like very good genes, and my mom has like really thick hair. So I think I definitely got this good quality hair from her. But other than that, I feel that I used to drink a lot of milk. Maybe that is one thing I feel my hair is like good, because other than that I don't really eat anything special or healthy for my hair. So I am a person who can't even survive without 3 to 4 cups of milk per day. Milk in the sense, I mean I take a lot of coffee. So I think that's the only thing which I take for hair. So whenever I have this thing where I don't have like milk properly, or if I'm in hostel or somewhere, then I definitely see a big change in my hair. I have a lot of hair fall, and if I don't live in a place where I have like 3 to 4 cups of milk, then definitely I see a difference of having a lot of hair fall and all that. So maybe that could be a reason. I'm not very sure, but I hear a lot of people telling that having too much of lactose is not really good for health. So I don't know, I'm just used to this. So that's probably the only thing I especially do, like, or I could say I do it a bit different. So that's like the only thing. The next question I get asked is, what do you eat to get your hair growing thicker? So just as I said now, milk is like the most important factor, I feel. Other than that, since my area is like the coastal side, and it is where, so it is the place where you get a lot of fish. So I also have seafood like almost alternate days. So that could be also a reason. And the other most asked question is if I have done any protein treatment. No, I haven't got any protein treatment done to my hair so far. So this is how my hair looks naturally without styling or anything. So I washed my hair yesterday and this is how it looks. So honestly, I really want to get a protein treatment done because my hair is super dry and super frizzy. So I would always wanted to have, so ever since my college, I always wanted to have like a protein treatment or some smoothing done to my hair to, control the frizz and to control the hair volume overall. But my parents are super strict in that, and they don't even want to, get anything done to my hair. So I haven't done anything really. The next thing I get asked mostly is, how do you keep your hair so shiny? So again, I feel that that is also genetic, but another thing, what I found is when your hair is normally like this, it doesn't give you that much of shine. But at the same time, when you iron your hair and when you like do like heat styling, your hair like gives you a very good shine and bounce. So I think that is one most important reason. And the other thing, what you could do is like apply a serum and then style your hair to have all that extra shine. And what shampoo and conditioner do you use? So I use currently now the Vella shampoo, Vella anti-dandruff shampoo, and I use and I don't remember what conditioner I use. It's something from SP Professional. And okay, I will leave the link of my shampoo and conditioner in the description box below. Please do check it out. I don't actually use a proper conditioner, but I use a hair mask. I will leave in the description below. You can check it out. So another question, does heat styling damage your hair? Definitely yes, it does damage your hair to a great extent. So the problem is I don't like leaving my hair just like that when I'm filming videos. I don't usually straighten my hair normally, but in case of me doing videos, that's when I try to keep it more perfect and good looking. So that's when I use a straightener to straighten my hair. But trust me guys, it gives me a so much of damage. I'm not even kidding. And the problem is you'll get a lot of split ends and your hair will break eventually. So what I do personally to take care of my hair is like I get it trimmed every 3 months. So that is like the only way I could save my hair. And another thing I do is I use a heat protectant before styling my hair. So those are the two things I do to control some sort of damage for my hair. But if you're using heat, then definitely you have to face the consequences as well. So one thing I would suggest is don't do straightening and heat styling every time you wash your hair. So in case you have an event or some function at home, then do it. Don't keep doing it every time you style your hair, every time you wash your hair, because that's not really healthy. If you do it once a month, it's completely fine. You are not going to see that much of damage or anything on your hair. But if you keep doing it every time you wash your hair, then your hair quality is definitely going to fade eventually. And another question is how to control split ends. So like I said, you have to trim your hair, and this is actually a very important topic which I really want to discuss in detail. So I will make a separate video on how to control split ends. So stay tuned for that. So another question is how to control frizzy hair. So one thing what I feel is to definitely use a conditioner and a mask if you have really dry hair. And another thing what you could do is apply a serum in wet hair and then dry it gradually so that your hair won't be that frizzy and it is kind of manageable. So the other thing I get asked mostly is, have you colored your hair? No, I have never colored my hair so far. I so badly wanted to get my hair colored, but again, my parents don't let me do anything to my hair, so I haven't tried anything so far. The next question is, do you get premature hair graying? Of course I do. I have a lot of premature hair grays inside. So yeah, that is like something which run again in my genes, so I can't really help it. So it is natural, and having gray hair isn't that bad. It's okay to have it, so I don't really care about it much. So what is my favorite hair straightener? So I personally love using the Iconic straightener, and that has temperature control in it, so you can actually adjust the temperature as per your hair thickness and longevity of the styling what you do to your hair. So yeah, I will leave that in the description box below, you can check it out. And so the other most important question what I get asked is how to get volume in your hair. So I would advise you guys to use a volume boost shampoo for your hair and then blow dry it, so to get that volume and poofy look normally. So if your hair is like super oily, then it will definitely stick to your scalp and it might look heavy and greasy. So yeah, maybe try using a volume boost shampoo, and yeah, that's something you could do. You can do another trick if you feel that you have a lot of patches all over here. I have done a video where I teach you guys how to cover your forehead. In that, I'll actually talk about a trick where you can, cover all these bald spots and everything. You can definitely try that. It will make your hair look really thick, which is actually a masking method. It's not like something which will give you thickness, but you can mask the look of having thicker hair. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.